As products become more digital, complexity rises, causing failures, recalls, cost and safety risks. I'm Constantin Mandel, and my doctoral thesis focuses on improving product quality in development, preventing late-stage issues and customer frustration. Validation is a key activity in development. It must be performed early, continuously, and traceable across teams. Here, model-based systems engineering, or short MBSE, can support. However, it's not yet effectively used for validation, and it lacks acceptance in industry. Therefore, I developed the MBSE methodology targeting validation based on 4 pillars: a modeling language and ontology, shared validation vocabulary; a modeling method, a grammar based on existing external loop testing approaches; an architecture framework, ensuring applicability across projects and product generations; and a software implementation, which I tested with industry partners for real-world applicability. Case study with industry partners and students from real-world projects confirm that the methodology can improve validation consistency and traceability in product development and can increase MBSE acceptance in practice. I'm proud receiving the prostep ivip scientific award. There's still work to be done to expand MBSE adoption industry. However, my research lays the foundation for more efficient, consistent and cost-effective validation, helping to create better products for all.